Aso. I am Dane Michael. I believe that with magic, nothing is impossible with the naked eye. To see is to believe, and to believe is to dream, and to dream is to survive. That's why I'm the master magician. Hey, excuse me. Do you want to see some magic?
Sure.
Come on, pick a card. Write your name in it. Then show it to the camera. Put it back on the deck. I'll shuffle it. You see that? Guess your name.
Bakit ayaw mo ng group?
Are you Corazon?
No?
Hindi ikaw si Corazon.
No.
Tara. Hey you! Excuse me,
yes.
sir.
Yes?
Do you want to see some magic?
Oh, yes, why not? Do you have
Come on, pick a card.
Okay.
Any card.
Sure.
Then show it to the camera. Don't show it to me. I'll guess the card by looking in your eyes.
Oh, okay.
7 hearts. That's it.
No.
3 diamonds.
No.
Sa Lasal ka nag-aaral.
Ang galing! Paano yun?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, you're great! Hello. Hello. Hi. So, you're doing magic?
Yes, come on, pick a card.
Then?
And write your name in it.
Then?
I'll guess your name by looking at your eyes. You're John Oliver Manuel.
Oh man, you're great! Yo, oh, awesome. So, how long have you been doing magic?
Oh, it depends. Sometimes it's 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes, sometimes 10 hours straight.
Oh, did you get my question? I mean, how long have you been a magician?
Oh, sometimes I do drums, sometimes I do cards. Didn't get the answer.
Oh, sorry. Sure.
Hi, do you want to see some magic?
Sure. Can you make that thing disappear?
Piece of cake.
Oh, let us see.
Watch closely.
Go.
Oh!
That's great!
Told you! Give me 5. Thank you!
Thank you!
Ang susunod kong magic trick ay nangangailangan ng matinding konsentrasyon at talas ng pag-iisip. Ako ay tatalon sa mga bubog na ito.
Oh!
Joseph, alaw, alas 2, alas 3.
10 seconds! Whoa!
Hi.
Hi.
So, I heard that you're doing magic. So, what's your favorite trick today?
My favorite trick is when I jump in the bubog and blood comes out from my mouth.
Oh, that's really cool. Nobody can do that.
No, no. I can do that.
So, are you familiar with black magic?
Oh yes. In fact, me myself is a black magic because I wear color black and I'm a master magician. Sometimes I'm a red magic because I wear red colored shirt.
So, what's the difference between black and red magic?
The color. The favorite color black and the red colored shirt. Mag-go na yan.
Ito ka!
That's okay.
Tayo muna.
Okay lang.
That's okay. That's already played.
May playing ha? Hey!
Hey!
Oh,
Finish
so...
ka, English.
We've finished the video that we have done.
Yes.
Yes.
So refreshing.
Dean Michaels.
I really enjoyed it. Yes. I really loved
I
it.
enjoyed that video.
Yes.
So what did
How
you think of the
long?
video?
How long?
Are you magicking, huh?
How about you, Jaja? What can you say about the video?
I don't know.
How long?
It's really exciting, isn't it?
You must
You
say
know how
anything
long.
because I know it's so long to be a student.
Relates? How long?
I did not get your answer.
Really? You
really
didn't
funny
get
in that
the
video.
answer.
Yeah. Hey, you about you, Michael? 10 seconds? 10 seconds.
No, it's Jocelyn. Jocelyn, ha? Jocelyn.
Hey.
Ay, gusto rin hindi ah.
How about you, Master Magician?
How about you, Master Magician? We're jumping into Jolene. We're jumping into Jolene.
Especially the bubog thingy.
With some blood.
Wait, di ka na
One and in the...
It's tingel, ha?
The ballpen mark is still there.
We dedicate to Miss Balestero.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for everything, ma'am. We will
We
miss
love
you.
you, ma'am.
We love you, ma'am.
Oh,
10 seconds.
something.
10 seconds.